But hi guys, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but we're currently waiting to board our plane now. We are going to Coron! Hindi to. We're going to Coron, guys. Yay! I don't have any sleep yet, kaya ganito yung pagmumukha natin. But it's okay. I will try to get some sleep when we arrive sa hotel. But I'm so excited. Bibig. Ah! We're going to Coron. Cats and dogs. Kaya lang dahil diliin din ako. Hindi na ako minum kayo. Ma'am? May mga na-cancel po? Siguro sa PAL. Parang mahigpit yung PAL eh.
Cancel?
Hi guys! We are finally here sa Coron. We just got here sa aming hotel slash lodge sa Coron Vista Lodge. Actually guys, traumatizing yung plane ride namin kasi grabe yung ulan. So we were really scared. Sobra ang turbulence. Akala namin magiging kwenta na kami. But thankfully, we arrived safe and now we're here. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a tour. Should I do a tour? No. Next time na lang daw kasi gusto niya na mag-rest yung boyfriend ko yung nasa camera. But so far, we love it here. Sobrang bait ng mga tao and accommodating. And the room is also super nice and clean. That's the most important thing. And we're kind of sad kasi grabe yung ulan. So we're not sure if we will be able to properly tour around the city proper or town proper later. Kasi grabe pa yung ulan. Or kung tutuloy pa yung tour namin bukas. Hopefully, matutuloy siya. But yes, so right now we're just gonna chill and just sleep. Kasi ako wala pa akong sleep guys. My gosh. Siguro 2 hours pa lang yung sleep ko. After work, we went straight to the airport para sa flight na to. And thankfully, hindi siya delay or na-cancel. But yeah, we're just gonna stay here, chill, and just enjoy our little vacation. And see you next time. Bye!
Okay po.
Sila yung biligyan din katong bag para sa
700, mahal naman din na.
Diyan ang galapag.
For my mama. For his friends, keychains. Sa akin, for my mama, ref magnet tsaka cute wallet. Duha lagi ka bog bias ako, dira dito.
Dito sa isa. Suspension lang.
Time for a sweet treat. This is Una Latte.
Hi guys, we are on the way to Makinit Hot Spring na. Ito lang talaga yung ganap namin for day 1 kasi whole day umuulan. But yeah, after this, baka mag-dinner lang kami. And matutulog ng maaga kasi early yung tour namin tomorrow. Hopefully hindi na umulan. Di ba, babe?
Tama, dun ko sa imo. Ingon ba?
Hi guys, I hope you guys can hear me. I look like this because we just got home from the hot springs and now we're just gonna eat dinner. We don't have that many plans for today. After this, I think we're just gonna go home after. But hot spring is very recommended, super relaxing. Ano lang, medyo mabilis lang kami doon and I think it's kind of expensive as well. Tapos ang hirap pa ng daanan nila kasi hindi pa siya developed. Pero okay naman yung place, aesthetic and hot spring talaga siya. Pero ngayon kakain na kami and I'm kind of tired now kasi ewan ko, wala naman kami ginawa. Kumain lang kami, nag-hot spring, tapos ngayon kain ulit. Pero tomorrow is our tour, so let's see. Dapat makatulog kami ng maaga para may energy for tomorrow. But yes, kakain lang kami ng dinner. We're eating sa, ano kami? Sa Big Mamas. Big Mamas. Wow. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 here in Palawan. I just woke up and I feel so bloated. Super bloated. Pero
Andito kami sa dining kitchen area sa aming hotel. We are going to eat our breakfast, and ang ganap for today is the super ultimate day tour. Thankfully, medyo hindi na naman umuulan. Manifesting na hindi na talaga umulan. Drizzling na lang siya ngayon. So hopefully, tuloy siya. And that will take us the whole day. So we need our energy. Kaya kakain kami ng breakfast and magko-coffee. And then after that, after sa tour, baka maglibot-libot lang kami ulit sa town for dinner. Day 1 was super nice. Super chill lang. We spent all day just eating and staying sa hotel. Nakapag-rest talaga kami ng mabuti. So, okay rin siya. Pero I want some adventure today. So, hopefully matuloy yung ultimate tour kasi gusto ko nang maligo sa dagat. Pero, buti na lang na, kami, nag-hot spring kagabi kasi na-enjoy ko din talaga. Na-relax talaga kami. Tapos, masarap tulog. Nakatulog ako agad din. Yeah, I slept super early. So, I'm happy about that. Pero we'll just see you once we are finished with our breakfast. Bye-bye. Guys, we have our breakfast na. My order is pork tocino with egg. Norlands is ano to be? Beef tapa with egg and rice. Tapos may coffee din kami. Yay! I'm so excited. Kakain na kami ngayon. Pero he is giving me coffee na.
Alright, so while waiting for you guys to be done on writing here and the passengers manifest, Kuya JB will be having a discussion for you guys regarding
and from Lucena City, Quezon Province, and I am Tagalog, so how we say good morning is magandang umaga.
Guys, we're climbing. We're here in Kayangan and we're climbing this hill to see the view deck. And we need to take 300 something steps. Yes. Woo! Didn't know we need to hike. Thought we were just gonna swim. Bro. Snorkel. Kuha una na yan ako snorkel. Nakagot. Pantay. Hi, we are here. Guys, we're here sa second spot, which is the Barracuda Lake. We're gonna snorkel here kasi may limestone formations, I guess rocks below the sea, under the sea, I'm not sure. Wow! So nice.
So, yung space po natin dito medyo maliit. So,
Ambil dali.
Latest update, nasa CYC Beach kami. And we're just kayaking. Pero pwede lang naman kami maligo. But my boyfriend wants to kayak. Hindi kami gumagalaw. Okay, we're going. Oh, look ah. Ulan mo. Our lunch is served, guys. This is my plate. I have pancit, grilled chicken, pinakbet, and hipon. Marlans, grilled chicken, fish, pancit, hipon, and pinakbet also. We're gonna eat now. Hi guys, we just finished our lunch and I look like this because we are here in our fifth stop.
fourth.
No, it's our fifth stop, Skeleton Run, and we're gonna snorkel. That's why I already have it. But it's also raining, so I might not have a few clips of me snorkeling. So I'm not sure if this camera is waterproof, but let's hope. I'll try, I guess, to take a few things. We're just gonna enjoy right now. Look.
Binubuhat at itapon. Ang ihulog.
Mas gamay lang ni turista karon sir.
Opo. Tagal lang ni tanawon kay kumbaga na ipon siya sir.
Okay, gahapon.
Naipon aside from gahapon. Ang hubas ba? Kung kaninang umaga natin ito pinuntahan, yung butas na yan, hindi tayo makakalusot. So possible, iikot kayo. And then yung mga swimmers, hagdan ulit. 105 to 120 feet. Baka kasing imbu.
Go.
Hi guys, we are going for dinner na for day 2. We're probably gonna get salud because I'm craving Mexican food. So we're gonna get one. Hey, nag-video pa po. Guys, I got the Pirio taco and the mango smoothie, and Norlands is the chicken bowl or something, and then just Coke Zero. We're gonna eat dinner now. We're here in Salud by the way. Let's go. we're done with dinner. So now I want some sweet treats. The ice cream is so expensive, 280 for like 2 small scoops, which is crazy. So I'll probably just get a crepe or something because I want something sweet. And he wants, what do you want again? Goto. Ano to yun? Goto. He wants goto. And he wants to eat here at Gotome. Ano ka? I'll just take it out pala. Salud was super nice. I love their tacos so much. I enjoyed it a lot. So, yes. I want to go back and try more foods there. But we have to try more restaurants in Coron first, of course. Tomorrow is my birthday. By the way, guys! This is crazy. Like, I am going to be 27. That's insane.
Fat people are harder to kidnap. Stay safe. Eat lots here.
Bango. Guys, we have our crepes na. This is mine, Lotus banana biscoff. Ay, no, banana biscoff crepe. And then Norland's is Oreo Nutella crepe. And that's it. And then we have ice cream also. They gave us free ice cream, which is so nice. So we're gonna eat it na. Norland's eating his goto special. In our hotel, I'm not gonna film myself eating it na because I think it's gonna be messy, and I'm wearing white, so I need to take this off and change. But yeah, we're gonna be so full, and after this we're gonna sleep, and tomorrow we will be transferring hotels tomorrow. And I don't know why I look so bad, but we're gonna be transferring hotel tomorrow, and it's my birthday, so of course we have to celebrate and do the most out of it. But yeah, we're just gonna eat now. Don't mind the background, it's so messy. But so far, Norland, how is your goto? Yay, he likes it. I have yet to try my crab, so I'm gonna try it now.